If you just lost a file, don't panic, but you must act fast. Before we do anything, here is the golden rule of data recovery. Stop using the drive immediately. Every second your computer is on, it is writing background data that could permanently destroy your lost file. Do not download recovery software onto the affected drive. Do not save any new files, and if you can help it, do not even browse the web on that machine right now. To give you a quick reality check on your odds, if you simply deleted a file, your chances are higher to recover. If you overwrite a file, recovery depends entirely on your backup or version history. If you're on an SSD, you need to act right now. Trim, technology on modern drives, makes recovery much harder than on old-fashioned hard drives. For Windows users asking for how to recover files, your first stop isn't expensive software, it's your built-in history. First, search your taskbar for File History. If you had this toggled on, you can literally wind back the clock to a version of your folder from before the accident. Second, try previous versions. Right-click the folder where your file lived, select Properties, and click the Previous Versions tab. If there is a shadow copy listed there, you've already won. On Mac, knowing how to retrieve a file often comes down to two hidden features. First, the obvious one, Time Machine. Open the folder where the file was, click the Time Machine icon in your menu bar, and select Enter Time Machine. Now, let's scroll back through time. If you don't have a backup drive, macOS still has a local snapshot feature. Open the specific application you were using, like Pages or TextEdit, and go to File, then Revert To, and select Browse All Versions. You might find the file was saving itself in the background without you even knowing. Here is the reality check. If you truly overwrote a file, meaning you saved a new document over an old one, the physical bits on the disk have been changed. In this specific scenario, standard undelete software usually won't work because there is nothing under the file to find. To recover overwritten files in this state, your best bet is looking for temporary swap files. Programs like Word, Photoshop, and Excel create hidden versions in temp folders. On Windows, you'll want to check your app data folders. On Mac, you're looking for your system's private folders. These are the last-ditch places where a copy might still exist. This is where having a cloud sync safety net changes everything. If your files were synced to Dropbox, the overwrite on your computer doesn't have to be permanent. Dropbox keeps a version history of every single file. You don't need to dig through your hard drive sectors. You simply need to log into the Dropbox website, find the file, and select version history. You can choose a version from an hour ago or yesterday and hit restore. This bypasses all the hardware limitations of SSDs or HDDs because the clean copy lives safely on the server. If these methods failed and the data is mission critical, it's time to escalate. Use a professional data recovery service if the drive is physically clicking or failing. Whatever you do, do not keep running deep scans on the SSD. It can actually wear down the drive and make the data even harder to find. To make sure you never have to ask, how can I recover overwritten files again? Follow these 3 steps. 1. Enable cloud sync like Dropbox. 2. Keep a physical backup drive plugged in. And 3. Always get in the habit of using Save As when you start a new version of a project. Check the description for the specific folder paths we mentioned, and good luck getting your data back.